Well, here we are in the Walmart parking lot, and I'm going to see if the gang here would like some of this bird seed I've got. So I saw what happened before when somebody did that. Try not to drop it here. Hey guys, got something for you. What do you think, huh? Uh-huh. I had a feeling. Here we go. Uh-huh. That's all right. That's all right. All right. Come and get it. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, you guys are starving. Yeah, I had a feeling this would be the case. Isn't that great? I was over here the other day and I thought, what are they doing? And somebody had left some bird seed, so I went over and got some. How about that? Easily done. Got a whole bag of it here. Yeah, I'm gonna toss some more out there. There you go. There's some more. Some more. I'm gonna leave a pile there so I can spread it out here a little bit. Even have the Jonathan Livingston seagull right there. Look at these. It's kind of a coalition here. Kind of in a huddle on this one right here. Isn't that cool? Hey, what do you think? Is there more? Oh, there's more, all right. Just take it easy. I know I have to remember not to move too quickly because I'm towering above them here. So anyway, gang, I hope you enjoy it, your newfound wealth. So, anyway, kind of a gray day today, I must say. I don't know where the sun's up there somewhere. It's up there summers. Not great. Boy, look at that guy. Ooh, isn't he cool? Wow. Isn't that? It's just like they're in a huddle. It must be a group of friends or something. Well, jeez. I'll tell you, all I did was just go open the bag again. Well, okay, so I'll get down here. Here you go. There you go. Yummy. Oh, they are just gorgeous. I guess that's it for now. You're welcome, folks. Thanks for watching.